Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so for today's hairstyle, I previously curled her hair and I used a $20 curler I found at Target, and honestly it works pretty good. I'm surprised. And okay, so I'm starting off by sectioning her hair and I'm going to be braiding her hair. I'm going to be Dutch braiding her hair. So the difference between a regular braid and a Dutch braid is regular braid you go over and Dutch braid you braid under. Okay, so here I'm just adding a little bit of product to the hair, and that's just gonna help me make sure that everything is nice and flat and that there's no flyaways. And here I'm just adding a little bit of product to my hand, that way when I need it, it's literally right there. And that's just gonna help me out throughout the hairstyle. And as you can see, I'm doing 2 stitches before I start to add in hair. And also the product that I'm using on her hair, I believe it's by Eden Body Works, and I think it's called Control Edge Glaze. I will be leaving it up on the screen so you guys can see what product I'm using. And also it smells really good. It's coconut shea. And also let me see, I have it here. So let's see. It says it provides a firm, manageable hold along the hairline and or hair shaft to preserve desired style. Lightweight formula will not create buildup. And honestly, I feel like it's true. Like, it doesn't create buildup. It's nice on the hair. It smells good. And, you know, it doesn't get flaky. I think this product is really good. And, I don't know, I think I got it for like $12, I think. I got it a while ago, and yeah, I like it. Also, I'm just gonna be braiding her hair to her neck, and I'm just gonna be tying it with a little black rubber band, and then I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the rest of her hair, and in total I'm going to be doing a total of 4 braids. So I'll just leave it here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe if you already haven't done so. Okay, so here I'm finally done with all the 4 braids, and I'm just tying it off with a little black rubber band. And then I'm just looking at it, and you know, it looks okay, I like it. And then I'm just going to be seeing how I want this hair to go, and as you can see, I'm teasing it just to give it a little bit more of a fluff. And I'm just going to be playing with it to see how I like it, if I like it in a bun, or you know, if I just wanted to have it down. And yeah. Okay, so I decided to put the hair down in a ponytail, and as you can see, I finished off by wrapping a piece of hair over the scrunchie just so that you wouldn't see it. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this video.